Hello traders. Today I have an exciting trade recap to share with you. In this video, I will dive into the trend trading and show you how I made a profit. Now, before we go into the trade details, let's talk about trend trading. It's all about identifying and riding the momentum of a stock's direction. By mastering this art, you can maximize your profits while minimizing the risk. To identify a trend, we utilize technical analysis tools. Specifically, we look for higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. These patterns helps us determine the overall market sentiment. When it's time to enter into the trade, we use a combination of market indicators such as moving averages and price action analysis to pinpoint the best entry point. With the trade on, it's essential to monitor it closely. We set our stop loss and take profit levels to manage our risk and ensure we lock in profits at the right time. Let's get into the chart. There are two views in this chart. One is 5-minute view, another one is 1-minute view. Okay. There are two indicators in this chart. No more jargons. Okay. And the fast moving average, which is very close to the candlesticks, and the slow moving average, which is a little bit far. And the trade idea is simple. If the price stays above the moving average, keep the trade open. Okay. So if you see on the 1 minute, and this is when the market opens at 8:30. Okay. When the market opened, the price pushed up. If you jumped onto this trade at 90 or 80, and you should be able to ride up until 709 or somewhere. And the second opportunity is here. See that the moving average formed, jumped on it, and then you can ride on this moving average until this kind of either broken here, or if you see some lags, and you can get out of the trade. Similar formation here, similar formation here, similar formation here. So there are multiple opportunities to enter in and then exit and enter. For me, I only trade on long side. I don't trade on short side. So today is a very good day. Yesterday was a very good day for me to be on the trade. Okay, because wherever I entered, it is all kind of nicely moving up and then giving an opportunity to kind of close. There are a lot of ranges in fact. If you jumped on it here at 706, 7010, then that gives nearly $30 of a range. That's a big one in fact. Okay, with one contract, it is equivalent to $600. Okay. So nice opportunities today, multiple entry spots, multiple exits, and a beautiful day to trade on a long side. And at the end of the day, the market kind of slowed down and then got into some range trades. And if this is more of very tough to trade in this segment, and it's not useful for anybody in fact. Okay, and I have included a live trade in this video. The live trade is at the end of this video. I'll tell you where I took that trade and then what is the reason for that. I see the price kind of coming down. This is somewhere, I think somewhere here, this segment at right 1242. Okay, so this segment, the 1242 comes into over here. Okay, somewhere here. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry, this spot actually. Okay, so this upside tick. Okay, I see the price coming down, dropping down, and then it hit 799, and then it pulled up and it couldn't break through this moving average, and then it was consolidating here. I see moving average at the bottom formed, and then the price staying above. It gave me a lot of confidence to enter into the market. I took a position over here. This is more of like a bit of a downside trend, and then that is broken here. And when this one minute candle formed, and then the price moved to 20. My entry was around 19, and I was keeping it for up until 26. I don't know whether the price will move further up or it will be kind of not dropping down. So, but at least I'm sure that it might be hitting this moving average. That's a $10 range that I kind of had. So I entered into 19. I was waiting for $10 to kind of come into play, but rather than that, it gave a nice push towards 34. That is more like $15 of a range from the position what I had. That gave me a confidence towards holding my position for a little longer, because this line is broken, and then there is a second level of moving average formed. that's a bullish momentum for me. Okay, so I just kept the trade open up until it was kind of hitting 43. When it hit 43, 44, I closed the trade expecting that could be a risk, and I could have hold out on this for 52. This is where the next level of resistance, but I kind of closed the trade at 42. There are about like $4,750 this one trade gave me. That is the trade I have included at the end of this video. So it will be running a bit fast, and if I was holding it about like 5 minutes at least. So if you go and see, it will be kind of running fast, and then the entire trade will be shown in probably like 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So take a look at this at the end of this video. And I do light trade, and if you would like to kind of understand all this moving average and where to enter and exit, and then be part of the trades that I am taking in the live, join the live trading session which is happening at 8:15 Central Time on the market days, and we'll see you there. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video, and also put comments, like if you have any comments on this video or any questions related to the candlestick formations, and then anything related to that, please comment on the video. It would help me to kind of add more context, as well as reply to your comments and then provide insights. Look forward to seeing you again in the next trade recap. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this trade recap, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with our latest trading insights strategies. Until next time, happy trading.